In today's tutorial, we will explore how to determine your public IP address using command line tools. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to understand their network configurations better. We have two popular options for finding your public IP address. The first one is using the curl command. You can use the curl command to view your public IP along with some additional details. This will return your public IP address and other useful information like your location and ISP. The another option is using dig command. If you want just the public IP address without any extra info, you can use this command. This command returns only your public IP address, quick and clean. That's it for today's tutorial on determining your public IP address using command line tools. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to DelphStack for more tutorials. Check out our other videos on network configuration and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.